Hello, my friend. Welcome.
Welcome, welcome. We are happy you're here.
Today we help you with English for ordering food.
Yes, food, everyday food, real life food.
Maybe you go to a restaurant.
Maybe you go to a cafe.
Maybe you feel scared.
You look at the menu.
Many words.
Fast talking.
Your heart is fast.
You think, I know English, but I cannot speak.
It is okay.
You are not alone.
Many people feel this way.
Today, we help you.
Slowly.
Calmly.
With easy words.
With many repeats.
By the end, you can order food.
Yes, you can do this.
Let us start with a small story.
A very normal day.
You are hungry.
Very hungry.
You walk into a restaurant.
A person comes to you.
They smile.
They say something.
You freeze.
Your mind is empty.
You say nothing.
You feel shy.
This happens to many people.
Today, no fear.
Today, we practice together.
Step by step.
First, we learn the most important sentence.
The sentence you need again and again.
Listen.
I would like.
I would like.
This is very polite.
Very safe.
Very common.
People use it every day.
Say it with me.
Repeat after me.
I would like.
Again.
I would like.
One more time.
I would like.
Good. Very good.
Now, why do we use this?
You use it to ask for food.
You use it to ask for drinks.
You use it to ask for anything.
It sounds kind.
It sounds friendly.
Not rude.
Not too strong.
Simple and nice.
Let us add food.
For example, pizza.
Listen.
I would like a pizza.
Again.
I would like a pizza.
Repeat after me.
I would like a pizza.
Very good. Now, coffee.
I would like a coffee.
Again.
I would like a coffee.
Repeat.
I would like a coffee.
Nice. Notice one small thing.
We say before pizza.
A pizza.
A coffee.
Small word.
Very important.
We use a for one thing.
One pizza.
One coffee.
One coffee.
Simple. Now let us slow down.
Imagine the menu.
You see many foods.
Burger.
Rice.
Chicken.
Soup.
You do not need all words.
You only need this sentence.
I would like.
And the food name.
That is enough.
Let us practice more.
Repeat after me.
I would like rice.
Again.
I would like rice.
Good.
I would like chicken.
Again.
I would like chicken.
Nice.
I would like soup.
Again.
I would like soup.
Perfect.
Now drinks.
Drinks are important.
Water.
Tea.
Juice.
Listen.
I would like water.
Again.
I would like water.
Good.
I would like tea.
Again.
I would like tea.
Nice.
I would like juice.
Again.
I would like juice.
Very good.
You are doing great.
Yes, you are.
Now we add one more word.
A very useful word.
Please.
Please is magic.
It makes your sentence kind.
It makes people smile.
You can say it at the end.
Listen.
I would like a coffee, please.
Again.
I would like a coffee, please.
Repeat after me.
I would like a coffee, please.
Excellent.
You can also say please at the start.
Please, I would like a coffee.
Both are okay.
End is more common.
End is easier.
Use the end.
Now a small situation.
You walk in.
The waiter says hello.
They say, hello.
You say hello.
They say, what would you like?
Do not panic.
You smile.
You say, I would like a pizza, please.
That's it.
Very simple, very clear. Let us practice this mini talk.
I am the waiter.
You are the customer.
I say, hello.
You say hello.
I say, what would you like?
You say, I would like a pizza, please.
Perfect.
Again.
I say, what would you like?
I would like soup, please.
Great.
Now, sometimes the waiter asks another question.
They may ask for here or to go.
This means where you eat.
For here means eat in the restaurant.
To go means take food with you. Listen.
For here.
To go. Repeat after me.
For here.
Again.
For here.
Good. To go. Again. To go. Nice. How do you answer?
Very easy.
You say one or two words.
For here, please, or to go, please.
Listen.
For here, please.
Repeat.
For here, please.
Good.
To go, please.
Repeat.
To go, please.
Very good. Now a full short talk.
Listen first.
Waiter. Hello.
Customer, hello.
Waiter, what would you like?
Customer, I would like a burger, please.
Waiter, for here or to go?
Customer, for here, please.
That is real English.
That is daily life.
Let us talk about mistakes.
Small mistakes.
Very common mistakes.
First mistake.
People say, I like pizza.
This is not wrong.
But it is not an order.
It is only a feeling.
I like pizza means you enjoy pizza, not an order. For ordering, say this.
Not this. I like pizza.
But this, I would like a pizza.
Repeat.
I would like a pizza.
Good.
Second mistake.
People forget please.
Again, not wrong, but less kind.
Add please.
Always better. I would like tea, please. Repeat. I would like tea, please. Nice. Third mistake.
People speak too fast.
Slow is good.
Slow is clear.
Take your time.
You do not need speed.
You need clear words. Now let us add one more useful sentence.
Very, very useful.
Can I have?
Can I have?
This is also polite.
Very common.
Say it with me.
Can I have?
Again.
Can I have?
Good.
You can use it like this.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Again.
Can I have a coffee, please? Repeat. Can I have a coffee, please? Good. Which is better? I would like or can I have?
Both are good.
Both are polite.
Choose one.
Use the one you like.
Do not mix them.
One sentence is enough. Now we do a longer talk.
A real restaurant talk.
Listen and feel calm.
We use easy words.
We repeat ideas.
Waiter, hello.
Customer, hello.
Waiter, what would you like?
Customer, I would like a sandwich, please.
Waiter, would you like a drink?
Customer, yes, I would like water, please.
Waiter, for here or to go?
Customer, to go, please. This is simple.
This is real.
You can do this.
Now you try.
Pause and speak. I ask.
You answer.
What would you like?
Your turn.
Say it now. Good.
Very good.
Would you like a drink?
Your turn.
Say it now. Nice. You are learning. Now a recap.
We repeat important things.
First sentence.
I would like.
Again.
I would like.
With food.
I would like a pizza.
With please.
I would like a pizza, please.
Good. Second sentence.
Can I have?
Again.
Can I have?
Example. Can I have tea, please? Nice. Remember for here and to go.
For here.
To go. Simple words.
Big help.
You are doing great.
Really great.
Ordering food is not scary now.
You have the words.
You have the sentences.
You have the confidence.
One last thing.
Smile when you speak.
It helps.
Slow voice.
Calm heart.
You can do this.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We are proud of you.
Practice again and again.
Use this in real life.
Order food.
Enjoy food.
Enjoy English.
Let us continue together.
We are still with you.
Take a deep breath.
Feel calm,
English is your friend.
not your enemy.
Now we talk about menus.
Menus can look scary.
Many words.
Many foods.
But you do not need all words.
You only need some words.
Let us learn common food words.
Very common.
Very easy.
Listen slowly.
Bread.
Bread,
Rice.
rice,
Chicken.
chicken,
Fish.
fish,
Vegetables.
vegetables,
Salad.
salad,
Now repeat after me.
bread,
Again.
bread,
Rice.
rice,
Chicken.
chicken,
Fish.
fish,
Salad.
salad.
Very good.
These words are everywhere.
Restaurants.
Cafés.
Hotels.
You will see them again and again.
Now drinks again.
Drinks are important.
Water.
Water,
Coffee.
coffee,
Tea.
tea,
Juice.
juice,
Repeat after me.
water,
Coffee.
tea.
Juice.
Good.
Now let us put words together.
Very slowly.
I would like chicken.
Again.
I would like chicken.
Good.
I would like fish, please.
Again.
I would like fish, please.
Nice.
Can I have rice?
Again.
Can I have rice?
Good.
Can I have water, please?
Again.
Can I have water, please?
Perfect.
You hear the pattern.
Same words again and again.
This helps memory.
This builds confidence.
Now let us talk about numbers.
Sometimes you want more than one.
2 coffees.
3 sandwiches.
Very simple.
1 coffee.
2 coffees.
Listen to the S sound. Coffees.
Again.
Coffees.
1 sandwich.
1 sandwich.
Again.
Sandwiches.
How do you order?
Like this.
I would like 2 coffees, please.
Repeat.
I would like 2 coffees, please.
Very good.
Can I have 2 sandwiches?
Repeat.
Can I have 2 sandwiches?
Nice.
Now, a small cafe story.
Imagine this.
You walk into a cafe.
You see cakes.
You see coffee.
The person smiles. Barista, hello.
You, hello.
Barista, what would you like?
You, I would like a coffee, please.
Barista, anything else?
This means more things.
You can say yes or no.
If yes, say this.
Yes, I would like a cake, please.
Repeat.
Yes, I would like a cake, please.
If no, say this.
No, thank you.
Repeat.
No, thank you.
Very polite.
Very common.
Now practice.
I ask.
You answer.
Anything else?
Your turn. Say it now.
Good. Very good.
Now money time.
Sometimes they ask about payment.
They may say cash or card.
Cash is paper money.
Card is bank card.
Listen.
Cash or card.
Repeat.
Cash or card.
Easy.
Now a full, longer talk.
Listen slowly. Waiter, hello, welcome.
Customer, hello.
Waiter, what would you like?
Customer, I would like chicken and rice, please.
Waiter, would you like a drink?
Customer, yes, I would like water, please.
Waiter, anything else?
Customer, no, thank you.
Waiter, for here or to go?
Customer, for here, please.
Waiter, cash or card?
Customer, card. This is real-life English.
Simple.
Slow.
Clear.
Now, common mistake again.
People say only food word.
Pizza.
This is not polite.
Use a sentence.
Not this, pizza, but this. I would like a pizza, please.
Repeat.
I would like a pizza, please.
Good. Another mistake.
People say sorry too much.
You do not need sorry.
Ordering food is normal.
You are not wrong.
Speak with confidence.
Now, let us slow practice again.
Repeat after me.
I would like.
Again.
I would like.
Good.
Can I have?
Again.
Can I have?
Nice.
Please.
Again.
Please.
Great.
Now, think of your favorite food.
In your mind.
Say it with the sentence.
Speak now.
Very good.
You did it.
Learning English takes time.
Be kind to yourself.
Practice in small steps.
1 sentence.
1 order.
1 success.
You are brave.
You are learning.
We are proud of you.
Next time you go out,
Use these words.
even 1 sentence is enough.
People will understand.
Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you for learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
English is possible for you. You can do this.